What's up guys, and welcome back to another crypto video. Today's topic will be an update video about the Pepe Heimer. They were here for a while and the listing is going to be announced very soon. Raised more than 5 millions, so guys stay tuned. As you can see in front of you is Pepe Heimer. Listing announcement is coming on July 15 and this is your last chance to grab 45 bonus tokens if you are a new buyer. First guys, you need to know that I'm not your financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything that I'm doing here is for your education and for your entertainment. Everything else is on you, which means that you need to do your own research before any investment of yours and always invest the amount of money that you're willing to lose, because the crypto space is actually a catchy space. With that said, we can continue, so let's dive in. First thing that you can see on their website is that layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum called Pepe Heimer raised close to 6 million in their pre-sale. Listing announcements are coming on July 15. The next thing that you need to know, big listing announcements are coming. Pepe Heimer is officially listing on BitMart exchange. The next thing is right here. So Pepe Heimer will be listed on a Uniswap. There are some rumors that they are heading to be listed on a KuCoin, Binance, also on some strong centralized exchanges, one of the top performing, one of the best centralized exchanges, which is going to make them explode because availability for the money inflow is after that very high. So they raised more than 5 million, as I mentioned, without any VC funding or backing. Pre-sale is still live and you still have a chance to participate in the pre-sale with 45% bonus, which is really great. Early buyers are already seeing a 10x gains from the stage 1 and price projected to hit $2. So that's really amazing. They're offering their token right now for 0.2018712. Listing announcement I already mentioned, confirmed listing Uniswap, BitMart, HTX. For new buyers, as I mentioned, 45% bonus tokens and it will last until July 15th. So you still have a chance, but this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you an opportunity and giving you my opinion. Everything else is on you. What is important to know before we continue is that the first Pepe coin with AI-powered yield optimization protocol, which is great stuff. HeimerPi, a tool that helps users identify potential profits, opportunities, and allocate your portfolios to earn the profit, all automated by the AI. Gemfish, amazing stuff, tool that can help users identify hidden gems in the crypto space, and the layer 2 blockchain, which means that the gas fees are not a problem, especially on Ethereum. How to buy? It's very simple. So for everyone who is willing to participate in pre-sale, this is how anyone can do it. Very simple stuff. You need to have some of your Web3 wallets. Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, the most common one. After that, you need to have some tokens in your wallet. You can buy it on a Binance, on any centralized exchange, and after that send it directly to your MetaMask wallet. Once you do that, determine the amount of your tokens that you're willing to swap for Pepe Heimer token, or PEHEM. That's the ticker for the token. So once you do that, you need to have some tokens in your wallet for the gas fee. Everything depends, is the blockchain busy or not. That is what is determining the price of the gas fees. And once you do that, you will be the proud owner of the Pepe Heimer. So that's how anyone can participate. The next thing, guys, is that staking will be available this week with 1945 APY. Also, there are great articles about them. You can check it out. You'll have all the links. So here you can see Trusted by Morningstar, Bitcoin, Business Insider, Benzinga. Also, that's places where they are gaining trust, which is really great. So I'm making you to understand how great this project is, what they're offering, solving few solutions and giving a bunch of opportunities for Ethereum. And I also mentioned in previous videos that Ethereum, layer 2 Ethereum projects have great potential, because I think the best project in this bull market is set to be Ethereum, because it was the most underperformed token in the previous cycle. So that's what I think, only my opinion. Don't take this for granted. That's what is really important. The last thing, until I finish, So the opportunity is still there, everything else is on you. In the comment section below, tell me what you think about the Pepe Heimer. I'm in love with them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.